The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for Cook County, Illinois, until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. The tornado will be near Park Forest by 7:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Oak Lawn by 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Chicago by 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Seek shelter in the lowest level of your home. If there is no basement, go to an interior hallway, a smaller interior room, or a closet. Keep away from all windows. A tornado warning means that a tornado is imminent or is going to occur. Repeating, the National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning until 8:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Illinois: Cook County,